In today's video, you are going to learn how to create amazing YouTube shorts with AI using the Syntx.ai platform. You only need a single subscription. I will also drop the link for Syntx down below. And by applying my code, you get a 50% discount. So make sure to check it out if you want to follow along with this tutorial, and let's begin. We're going to be creating a video such as the one you see on screen right now. I'm going to show you the entire process and how to do it quite cheaply and efficiently using Syntx.ai. You're going to love it, and it's amazing. Like, these cat videos are making millions of views every single day, and you can post on multiple platforms and multiple accounts, and also in the future recycle content, so you can create a content machine that earns you money passively. You just make the videos and you profit from the views and the advertisements. A couple of words about Syntx before we begin is that they have a lot of AI tools that we are going to need: video generators, image generators, audio generators, as well as text generators such as Claude that we're going to use to create our beautiful script end to end. We don't even need anything. We just start from something super simple, such as our main idea. So the first thing is going on Syntx, selecting text, and asking Claude Opus 5, which you can select on this sidebar. They also got a selection of other tools. We ask it to create our script. We will make 3 main clips, 5 seconds each. In total, a 15-second video. We want a very specific workflow. We want to start from text to image to generate the basic assets such as the cat, the fish, the market, the kitchen, and then the table at home. Then we're going to take these images, combine them together into scenes that are very consistent because we use the same cat, the same fish, etc., etc. And then we're going to animate these images into short form video. And on top of that, we're also going to generate a beautiful audio, a beautiful sound, and we're going to combine at the end of the video all of these into our video editing tool. So you can see here that Claude is giving us the whole script, optimizes our prompts, and guides us into the creation. So the first step is text to image. We take all of these text prompts and generate the images. It's very simply done by clicking on image on a new tab, opening up a new session, and start pasting the prompts and generating the images. In my opinion, the best image model you can use right now is GPT-2. So you are going to find it in the category Sora GPT image. You also have the option for Nana Banana and a lot of other image tools, but this is the one I think is the best, and this is the one I prefer. For the aspect ratio, we're doing TikTok Shorts. So we're going to select 9:16, and for the quality, we're going for medium and 2K resolution. It's more than enough, and it doesn't eat up a lot of our credits. So we put and paste each one prompt in just a single chat window, and we generate all of the images we need: the market, the kitchen, and the table that the cat is going to eat in the end. We also generate our cat character consistently with different poses, with specific poses holding a basket, the cat getting ready to eat. So this is our basis, this is our foundation, and it's all done automatically and very simply through using Claude and then the image model that Syntx has. Before we continue, I just want to let you know the exact reason I'm talking about Syntx. First of all, the video is sponsored by them, but second of all, they offer all of these different models very cheaply compared to other competitors. You can see that the price is quite aggressive. Here we can see Nana Banana Pro being 3 times cheaper than the first competitor. We can see here that Croc Imagine is again 2 to 3 times cheaper, and so on. So you can access all of these beautiful models with a single subscription at the lowest price possible. And again, the same happens for all of the other different tools. So they're pricing quite aggressively, and that's why I love using them. Not only that, but you access all of the tools and everything is organized, works perfectly. And for me, having a thread of all of the different images combined together is very beneficial. So the next step that we need to go ahead and do is go and edit those images together. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow the prompt of Claude that has given us a tag for each of the images and then tells us to create the first starting image, which is K1 start. You need to combine all of these inputs and paste this prompt. So what I'm doing here is I'm opening up a new session, and then I put all of the images that Claude tells me along with the prompt. Again, for the image editing model, I select GPT Image 2 with the exact same settings. And here you see the combination. You can see the cat on the market fishing. You can then see the cat here having the fish in the basket. So this is essentially the K1 end that combines the starting image and the A1 image. And we follow the same procedure by following Claude's script and advice on how to combine the images. Here we see the cat cooking the fish. Here we see the fish getting cooked, so they changed color. Finally, we see the cat ready to eat. And finally, the cat having eaten. So I did this process for you, so you don't have to waste time seeing me doing Control-C, Control-V. This is not really a benefit. And we can see here that I just followed the instructions of Claude. It takes a little bit of time, takes like 10 minutes to do all of these generations, just because you have to copy and paste. If you do split screen and organize stuff, it's a little faster. So by having done all that, we've generated all of the images we need for the video. A start frame and end frame for each of the clips. And Claude again, what it does is beautiful. It gives us the prompts to go from images to videos using the start frames and end frames we just generated. It also gives us the setting that we can select. So here is the prompt for the video number 1, which is the cat fishing in the market. So how can we access the video models? We go to the video tab, and here I select Seedance 2, which I believe is the best model. I open up the quality setting and select Pro Mode, 1080p, 9:11 aspect ratio, and set the duration to 5 seconds. This is what I want to do for each clip. So very easily what we do is we put the starter image and the finish image that Claude did for us. So K1 start, K1 end, and we put the prompt here. And we do a generation. In many cases, you might not like the generation because these videos models, don't completely understand your prompt. So very easily, in some cases, I clicked the retry button to do an extra generation to get the exact clip I want. So I did all of this for each one of these clips. So the second clip is the kitchen, where we use the second starting image and the second ending image. And I put the prompt and get a clip. Again, I do this for the cat eating, and I generated all of these. Then I did some regenerations just to see how different clips look. And after 5 videos generated, I selected the 3 best that I will use in my own case. And I'm going to show you in just a little bit how we can combine all of these into a finished product. And really, it's so amazing because Syntx is so cheap. With just $7.5 per month, you can get to create up to 500 videos and generate up to 10,000 images with select models. One of the things that I really like about Syntx is that we have the option to also do audio. So just before we go with audio, just make sure to download your clips here and then click on audio. So what I asked Claude is to give me a short prompt, about a 15-second audio prompt for background soft music for the clip we created. And for that I used Suno. You also have the option for 11 labs. I selected the 5.5 variant and instrumental mode. So we go to generate a couple of sounds that we could use, and I will listen to all of these, find the one I like the most, and we're going to get back into my video editing tool to show you how to combine all of these into a finished product, into a finished video. So we're here in my video editing tool. I use Adobe Premiere. It doesn't really matter. You can use even CapCut or whatever you want. In most cases, you will have to pay for these. So what we're doing is we just simply add each of the videos we generated one after the other. It's really as simple as that. So we drag and drop the clips into the timeline. Then we have the audio that was generated by Suno. I'm just going to put the audio of the background just a little lower, and then we can preview the clip here real quickly. And the final video is generated by selecting all of these, clicking just a simple export, select the preset, final video, and you already have seen the final video. It was shown to you at the start of the video, but let's see it again. Pretty amazing, right? So go ahead, try Syntx, try this workflow to create amazing AI sorts that will get you thousands, even millions of views over time. Thank you so much for watching.